Hello guys, mag-unbox tayo ng isa sa mga pinaka-importante na mga gamit para sa camping, hiking, or sa inyong mga outdoor activities kasama ang family or mag-solo adventure tayo. So we have today Nature Hike, the two most iconic chairs coming from Nature Hike. This is my first time to purchase from them. So we have the C-Star 001 and the Ultralight. So the boxes are quite different. One is bigger and the other one is smaller. I don't know which one is the Ultralight and which one is the C-Star 001. So we're going to unpack and unbox these two really very useful camping chairs or outdoor chairs. So itong maliit na box is obviously maliit siya. The other one is bigger, and I don't know if this is the Ultralight, pero malaki siya at mas mabigat. So we have the C-Star 001, so definitely this one is not the Ultralight. And this one is definitely the Ultralight, so yan. We'll see. So the item, I ordered this one in Lazada. The Ultralight costs around 1,775 and the Ultralight is around the C-Star is I think cost around 2,000 pesos and this one is 1,775. I'll just give the details in the description below. So by the way, if you like the content that I'm sharing to you, please do like, share, and subscribe to give you some more videos on travel and outdoor guide dito sa Pilipinas, and also buying guide also for outdoor equipment or travel gadgets and equipment that you need. So ito, we're unboxing this one. So Nature Hike is one of the I should say cheap companies that is one of the cheaper outdoor equipment that you can buy online compared to other international brands. This is definitely made in China, but this my first equipment, outdoor equipment that I'm buying from them. Most of my the brands that I'm using is North Face and Columbia, but it's really good to try other brands, especially this one is on the cheaper side. And I'll see, but I believe so. The item comes in a box. I ordered this in Lazada and well packed, and they have bubble wrap, and I ordered two of these and two of these C-Star 001 also, but I'll be unboxing only one of them so I know the content of each package. So ito, pagbukas mo ng box is ito na yung item na nakalagay siya sa kanyang bag, which is really very good, no? Na meron siyang carrying case on its own, made of cordura, and also nakalagay din siya sa plastic, so well packed. I give it to Nature Hike for giving the consideration of really packing their items really very well. So ito na yung carrying case niya. Meron siyang handle dito, and ang liit-liit niya, ultralight nga siya, and this can fit the pouch of your backpack, and then also conveniently occupies a small space in your car trunk if ever na you want to go outdoor camping or car camping and other activities that you have. The other one is bigger, of course. And then let's unzip this one. And then by the way, is meron siyang loop dito, and definitely I can see the purpose right away, which is you can have this one strapped or tied at the bottom of your backpack, or maybe sideways, or maybe at the bottom, or maybe on top, depending on how you carry items. But of course, I'll be giving you out also some tips and tricks also how to do backpacking. Maybe later on we'll have a content for that. So it has some loops, so that's really very good. Sometimes when items for outdoor doesn't have a good carrying case where you can just stash everything inside it and then attach the carrying case in your backpack. What I do mostly at the earlier time when I was really very active outdoors is I open up the item and then repack them inside the backpack, especially when I go backpacking or mountain climbing. So let's open this up so I can right away feel how smooth the zipper glides along from the start to the end of the zip, and it's a good zipper pull. Very nice. I like also the color of the khaki. So right away, opening this one, you get the item, and then the canvas is really very good. I don't know what material is this Cordura or Oxford? I really don't have any idea. And these are the poles, I think, and the legs. And based on the previous purchase that I have for outdoor chair, I purchased a Coleman, which was easily broken and damaged. So this one is, these are the poles, and it has an elastic band that ties this together para hindi siya ma-separate. It's not really tight. This band is not really tight. But it's good that they also place this one so you don't have to worry in buying or purchasing one or finding something to bind all of these poles together like so. Ano na siya. So this is nice. So I really don't know if there is a guide. Oh, I see. So the guide how to assemble is attached to the material of the carrying case. So you have the instruction or the manual how to set this up. So yan po. You just have to follow this guide how to do it. So I don't know how. I have to find my way. So right away makita mo siya. Chair na siya kagad. Without the poles. And here is medyo cushion siya dito sa taas, and there is a pole right here inserted underneath to straighten the headrest of this beautiful outdoor chair, this ultralight. So let's start the assembly. So you can see there is a bigger pole, quite sturdy. By the way, the material is really quality right away. I can say it's really quality. I don't know if this is aluminum or a certain kind of alloy, but let's go. So meron siyang mga butas dito, and then connected naman siya with this elastic bands. So I think is you can just easily snap everything in its proper place. So meron naman siyang mga ito. So very simple actually. Hindi ka na mahihirapan. And I think this is going to last long. Imagine for 2,000 pesos, you already have this ultralight chair from Nature Hike. Look at that. Look at this. We'll have this bigger package aside. for a while. So you will see. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yan. Porma-porma na siya. Porma-porma. Ito na kung sa paningin ko lang to. But if it is uneven or what, I don't know. Okay, I'll see. So ito, lalagay natin, no? So meron siyang pocket right here. Ito is sturdily made. Yung tahi niya is really very good. Tapos meron siyang padding na parang rubbery something. And then this one, ang iyang catch dito is a pocket na made of sturdy material, kasi ito by impact ay mauna itong masisira. We'll see. What are the other attachments? Dito din sa taas is just the same. Yan po. And then ito is cushioned. So I don't know which one goes first, but we'll see. By the way, there is a loop right here where you can use this as a pulling loop to attach. Likewise here also, I believe, where is that loop? I have to look for the loop. Pumasok siya. Just be careful not to damage. Yan. Meron pala siyang loop. Yan. Dito sa taas, wala na siyang loop. Okay. So, ito, yung bend niya ay doon papasok. Just have to follow that guide. The other one also. Yun. Oh. So that's it. So that is our, so that is the ultralight camping chair from Nature Hike. Yeah, looks really awesome. Yeah, wow. So you get this comfortable chair for outdoor once you're in the wild. No hirap na mabasa or maputik yung area once you get there, but the view is really magnificent, and you need to rest your back, your hips, your tired body, and you're looking for a chair, and this one is really good. Yeah. So that is the ultralight camping chair. So we'll go to unbox the other one. So that will be in another episode. So guys, if you like this one, maybe you try this one. Does the fabric that's used here, it's really good. This is a mesh, and this will ventilate your back pag upo ka dyan. So when you're so sweaty during the day, ito will give the air flowing on your back, and then you can enjoy the outdoors and your adventure. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video for the unboxing of the bigger one, the C-Star 001, and let's see what are the big differences of this one. So hold on for a second, so I'll do the unboxing as well for the C-Star 001. So let's move this aside. You're done, and I like you and I love you. So I bought the khaki and also the black one for the C-Star, for the ultralight. So amazing. Now let's go for the C-Star 001. So ito, this is really good for adventure as well, but this is the heavier item. So this is good for car camping, or maybe if you are camping with a designated camping site na hindi masyado malayo sa inyong sasakyan, then this is just very good. But if you are doing backpacking, I would recommend the ultralight. So take this as your buyer's guide if you're planning to buy an outdoor equipment that fits your budget. So now unboxing this one is just the same. Nakalagay siya talaga sa isang carrying case, at yung carrying case ay well packed kasi meron siyang plastic. And then you have also the instruction manual, I think, right here, separately. Ito. What's this? Oh, yan. So, meron siyang guide. Okay. So, we'll just find our way dito. So, this one is black, and then you get the Nature Hike logo, brand name printed sa labas. And then ito is made of nylon material, differently with the other one. It's fabric. I think that's made of Oxford material. Mas sturdy yun siya, but the nylon one is also good. And this one is also made of Oxford inside. I can see it right away, and you can feel it. And then carrying case has also a sling and a drawstring where you can close the case. And then here we are. Assembled na po siya, guys. So all you gotta do is maybe stretch the legs out, and then here you go. You get a chair right away. Wow, this one is big, huge. And then meron siyang cushion dito, guys. Ito din, you get a Nature Hike, itim. I think the green one would really look good. So ito, meron din siyang cushion on the sides at dito din. So really comfortable, I can say. And then on the side, meron siyang pouch or pocket. You can put some drinks or maybe some items or maybe snacks while you're sitting and enjoying the view or your outdoor activity. So hindi siya dalawa, ito lang on the right side. Dito lang siya. Yan po sa likod. And then meron po siyang adjustment dito sa kanyang legs. Makikita nyo. Yan po, guys, meron siyang adjustment dito. So you can adjust this maybe to recline, maybe the chair. I still don't know. Okay, I'll give you the full review once I tested this out. But it's just for unboxing because I cannot wait for the time because I've been wanting to do outdoor activity, and it's been a while right now that I've been stuck with a busy day, with the busy work that we have. So it's good to finally have some outdoor equipment that we can rely on. Na sturdy, hindi siya masyado expensive, because I believe that this is going to be coming from other brands. This would be really very expensive. Camping chair is one of the items that you really need in your packing list for outdoor activity. So guys, if you like my content, once again, I do appreciate if you give me a subscribe and then like button, and also comment in on what items would you like me to show you for unboxing and recommend. So for those of you that are looking and then wanting to have a comment or maybe some reviews for this item, I would recommend not to hesitate, but grab any of these two. If you're out into backpacking and wanting a lighter but sturdy camping chair, you go for the ultralight nature hike camping chair. And if you want to have a very comfortable chair, stargazing, maybe camping, and won't need to be carrying along with you for backpacking, so I would recommend this one. It's really very sturdy. You get the legs, just look at the legs. Yeah. Dami niya ng legs. And the material, the aluminum, is really very good. So to give you a comparison, yung Coleman na nabili ko, I think I bought, where did I buy them? I don't know. Japan, maybe here. I don't know. I forgot. But anyway, the material is not as nice as this one, and not as quality as this one. And the price for that is around 2,500 per chair. So I purchased around 2 or 4 of them. So this one is, I know this is going to go a long way, because the pockets where you insert the aluminum is well made and then really very sturdy. But anyhow, you got to use your equipment, because nothing stays forever, but you can give a beating for them while enjoying nature, and that's why you bought these items for. So just enjoy. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.